I just harvested this lime from my tree. Let's just see how juicy it is. Ooh. Oh. Well, I'm gonna make lime juice. Look at how juicy it is. Wow, fresh lime. All right, that's very juicy. Boil some hot water. Add some sugar. Pour hot water in.